أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
When I tell you guys I love London, the Muslim community here in London is amazing. Good evening, everyone. I hope everybody's doing good. Welcome back to another day. I am currently leaving to go participate in Open Iftar. I think there's this project that goes around UK and shares Iftar all over the UK, and today is the final Iftar because tomorrow is Eid, Ramadan is over. So the biggest one here is happening in London. I'm gonna go participate. Hopefully they have good food. I'm gonna go see what is it about, see the people, see the community coming together. And this project is not, you don't have to be Muslim to come and participate. That's really nice. It's more of a community. So yeah, I'm waiting for the bus and then head there, inshallah. Look how busy it is. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so hungry. That's where I'm going. Trafalgar Square. I'm not sure where the square is, but I think I'm going the right way. It has to be somewhere here. It's right here. I think it's right here. It has to be here. I think it's here. Oh my days. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. I'm about to just get content. How do you get the ticket?
Go beforehand, like on Eventbrite.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a newsletter or something.
Damn.
It's sick, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I was.
Yeah, you have to book the ticket before, but otherwise.
But it's not even on there no more.
Well, they've all sold out.
Yeah.
So what? They said you have to wait for it.
Yeah, once they go through, if they said 2,000 people, and if there's few left, then they can let everyone. Unless you have a ticket. I didn't know it was this much. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, that's sad. I'm gonna wait a little bit though. At least I brought some water with me. So I don't think they'll let anyone in unless you got a ticket, unfortunately. So, and the line is so long, it's ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna go get Iftar elsewhere. Ooh, they finally let me in. A Somali brother came through. Alhamdulillah. Iftar, come here.
Enjoy the evening, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
What's in here? Oh,
Okay, thank you.
I'm just curious. Huh? Thank you. What is it? What's inside?
Would you like in there? Their
Huh?
little notebook. And
Oh,
a pen.
notebook. Okay, thank you.
Would you like as well?
Thank you so much.
I'll take one extra for my mum.
This is so cool. They're giving out bags. These guys are from Asia. I'm assuming Malaysia. Ooh, I'm so excited. I see coconut water. Need some. Thank you. Get some dates. MashaAllah. Wow. Now let's go see what they're serving. Ooh, I'm so happy. I'm so glad I stuck for a bit. A Somali brother came through, now I'm inside. But next time I know. to get a ticket instead of just showing up. So yeah. So I don't know exactly what's happening, but let me go up front and show you. Let me go up front and show you. Oh, I'm about to hear that. Ooh.
Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
Burada. İçecekle birlikte geldik.
حي على الفلاح.
When I tell you guys I love London, the Muslim community here in London is amazing. Especially in the West, it's so hard to see big events like this happening all over. I know in America they have some places that do this, but not much, not many. But mashallah.
Anyone want to pray? This way, please. Up the stairs.
Ooh.
Mama got you. Mama got you. You okay?
So I gotta go upstairs if you want to pray. Let's go see. Never seen such. This is my first time attending such an event in a Western country. Wow.
الله أكبر، الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
La ilaha illallah. All right. It's time to pray. One of the things I'm loving, guys, is you see this thing. It has. They keep saying Eid Mubarak in different languages, even in Somalis in there. Eid Mubarak, that's Arabic. You see that? Eid Mubarak. Then they have Joy Eid. I think that's French. Different, even Somali one. I love it. Wow. I'm so happy they let me in. So now I want to see what kind of food they want to serve, so I can see. If it's not good, I'm out.
Content project. Tag us with your beautiful photos. We'll love to see them all. But yes, please come back to the program space. Farah and I are eagerly waiting to engage with you, inshallah.
For Iftar, because afterwards we are going to redirect you to have Iftar. We have 4 tents ready to go and Iftar will be served. Let's hear, we've had some replies from here from outside of the UK. So we've had Mexico.
Outside for the UK, Mexico, make some noise. Wow, Mexico. Come on, everyone.
So we are here, 2025, it's nearly Eid, here at Trafalgar Square. We want everyone to know that you have all joined us today here at this iconic location to break fast with us. I want to see a few more lights because I can only see a few.
Yeah, those
Come
people,
to the side,
everyone
please.
on the right and the left, let's light up Trafalgar Square with your phones.
Okay, wave your phones. I want to see even more lights, please.
All right,
That's
everyone.
so much better. So,
Ready?
Bria, are we ready?
We are ready, Farah. I am ready. I'm in the wrong direction though.
So, what we want you to do on the count of 1, 2, 3, we're going to ask you to say open iftar. So, Sabrina, you're going to start.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Come on, we've got this. Energy levels up. So 1, 2, 3.
Open iftar!
And a little bit louder, even louder. 1, 2, 3.
Open iftar! Woo!
Love it. The lights. Let's go. From where I'm standing, it looks incredible. Make sure to check your socials later as we post these photos. Well done, everybody. That was really beautiful.
These are way too hot. These are too hot to touch. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
But,
These are cooler. Just let them sit up. Here, I'll
okay,
take
take that one. Guys, can we move down there?
Thank you. Okay. Alright, Eid Mubarak. This looks like couscous.
Hello, lovely. Hello. You want to have some food? You got something. That's good.
Everybody's sitting and eating. Alright guys, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna go. It's getting cold. I'm gonna go get some coffee and then go home. What a beautiful get together. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. People are still eating food, sitting together, families. Yeah, I would say this iftar project was amazing, and I hope to be part of it another time, inshallah. Oh man, it's getting cold. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know if my mouth is oily, but I ate. The food was good, delicious. I'm glad it wasn't biryani or something spicy, because you're fasting all day and you can't eat that, you know. So yeah.